So we are starting a new test here where we are going to be looking at wind analysis. Hi there and welcome to Catchment of Resources. As usual, you are going to be opening a wind topography project first, then you go to tools and you see wind analysis. So we are using existing information to run a wind analysis. So it's possible to change for you to change different parameters. To see the outcome in the wind analysis. If you are following this instruction, wind analysis, there are some theories you can always go back and study, which is under the tools menu or toolbar. So these are parameters from the existing wind analysis inbuilt. So you can see a distribution chart here, frequency table, so you can see here output data. So you'll be able to examine all of the data here. If you follow the instruction to the right on this wind analysis, you'll be able to understand how to utilize this. We go to the tools in the menu bar. Select wind analysis. So starting again, you go to wind distribution. From wind distribution, after you have loaded the file, you can then view the wind rows and the other parameters as of one sector again, so you can see the frequency distribution all around 360 degrees, total hours against wind speed. So you can also see this wind distribution as well. So that's basically it for wind analysis. Thank you for watching this video. This is Catchment of Resources, where we create for better living.